Hey friends, welcome back to Watavue Mountain. Just a short little quick tip for you here. We have these blinds, we got to get them clean. You can see plenty of dust on there. It's been a hot minute since we cleaned them, but that's okay. We got a quick tip how to clean them. We're gonna take some Clorox cleaner and we're gonna spray it from the bottom up, the whole thing. We're gonna let this sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to hose it off. So since this is a short, we don't have 3 to 5 minutes, so we'll be back in just a second. You see it doing work? It's just eating it up. Now we're going to spray it off. All right, we just have it hung from the inside of the garage door. A couple zip ties, and that's it. Now we're just going to hose it off. Voila, there it is. Nice and clean. The good news is too, these strings will lighten up too. And now we just let it hang here and dry. And then once we're done painting that room, we'll hang it back up. There it is, friends. Another quick tip from Watavue Mountain. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you can use it. This is probably the 5th or 6th time we've done this. Regular old bleach works too. We ran out of that stuff in the spray bottle, so we just mixed a little bleach. I don't know, maybe a teaspoon per spray bottle, and you'll be golden. So there you go. Till next time, be safe.